record it.
Leslie,
what up, Armadillo?
Okay,
walked into the door.
I was verbally abused.
Leslie walked into the door.
I was verbally abused by my Kelly. Every time I
sprinted into the door.
I did not sprint into the door.
Don't cry, you're not allowed to cry.
You suck.
I verbally abused Leslie.
Oh my God! Turn this thing off. Smashed him too.
Mine's recording. Yeah, you're
I think we go dance in the rain.
recording your favorite too.
I think we should go dance in the rain later, Kylie.
Yeah.
Yeah, now watch.
Someone give me a dart.
That's creepy.
That's not
That's
creepy.
really creepy. If you're gonna do that, you have to pay me. Hi, Zachary. You wanna come downstairs?
So it's how much I owe you now? Oh.
We're having a party. You can come down. Come sit with me.
You said what's going on, though? What's going on?
Come sit with me.
Going on, you having a good time?
Zachary Charles, come sit on my lap.
Oh.
Neve! Zachary,
Almost
come sit
slit
with
me
me.
right in the face.
Come here, babe. Come sit with me. They're not gonna bite you, I promise. I know they're ugly and scary, but they won't bite you.
Hey, we're not talking about Kylie.
What? Come here.
Wait, what about me?
Come sit with me. Hey, sit with me.
Steven.
Runs away from me. Are you recording this?
Yes.
You're a freak of nature.
My camera's recording it too. Zoom in on Steven.
I think she likes Michael, man. I think y'all should put this
Do
on
I
MySpace.
shut the
Can you
fuck
put this
up?
on MySpace?
Nobody heard that.
My camera's here. Oh my God!
Dakota said something bad.
Alright, ready? I can
Zoom in on Kylie's ass.
What?
I made it too. I made it.
Oh yeah.
No one wants to see that.
Oh my God!
Maybe I do.
Throwing.
Woo! Oh my God!
Say hi,
Like that.
Charlene.
They're just confirmed.
Char, say hi.
Or Char.